Hi everyone. Today in this video we will be discussing one of the important topics, theory of important topic that's called convert NFA to its equivalent DFA, which is very important concept in theory of computation and compiler design. Then let's learn how this can convert from NFA to its equivalent DFA. Right, so this as given that transition diagram, it's a kind of accepting a multiple transition on same input symbol, which is not possible in DFA, right? So then convert this into DFA. Let us see how step by step to conversion process. There are three steps are there. The first step, a starting state of NFA is the starting state of DFA. Starting state of NFA is the starting state of DFA. Which is the starting state of NFA? Starting state of NFA is the starting state of DFA. Then A is the starting state. So I have taken this. Okay. Starting state of NFA is starting state of DFA. In this state is A. A is taken as a NFA. For this, we need to find out the transition using the NFA transition diagram. So, what are the input as given here? 0 and 1. For that, delta of A will go to B as well as A itself. So, we will get A and B. And similarly, delta of A, 1 will go to A and D. So, from this A, you will get two new state. One is A on 0, it will go to AB. A on 1 will go to AD. Okay. Now, so from A we will get other two new state. Again, find out the transition for AB. So, this state becomes a single state of DFA. Then you together called as a AB. For this, again find out the transition delta of AB comma 0. You can split like this: delta of A comma 0 union delta of B comma 0. Delta of A comma 0, you already know, A comma 0 it will go to A and B as well as A. And delta of B comma 0 it is go to C. So if I take a union of this, you will get ABC. Similarly, it will go to ABC. And similarly, delta of A comma B on 1, again you have to split like this. So we will get A of 1 will go to A as well as D. So AD will get, but B of 1 will not go to anywhere. There is no transition phi. If I take a union of this, you will get AD. You will get AD. So this AD, it will go to AD only. AD is already exist. It will go to AD. Correct now? I hope we understood this till now. So AB is over. What is the next state? AD. Similarly, you can find out the transition for AD. AD of 0, A of 0 it will go to AB. D of 0, nowhere it will go. The transition is pi. Then all together AB. So then AD of 0 it will go to AB only. So it will go to AB only. Then AD of 1, delta of AD A comma D on 1, anyway you can split like this. So A of 1 will go to AD and D of 1 go to C, we will get ADC. So then you have to AD of 1 will go to ADC. So A is over, AB is over, and AD is over. What is the next new state? Next new state is ABC. Similarly, find out the transition for this state. Then ABC on 0, you have to split like this: delta of A 0, union delta of B comma 0, union delta of C comma 0. A on 0, it will go to A and A and A. Sorry, B and A. Right, A, B. B of 0 will go to C, and C of 0 it will go to C itself. This is C and C. If I take union, you will get ABC. So it will go to ABC only. So there is ABC only. You have given a transition. Then similarly for another case, ABC on 1. If I split like this, A on 1, it will go to A and D, A and D, A and D, and B on 1, pi, there is no transition, and C of 1 will go to C. You will get altogether ADC. So, ADC. So, then you have to give a transition like this one. I hope you understood this. What is the next one? ADC, the ABC is over, on 0 and 1 is over. ADC on 0, which is similar to the previous steps, will split like this. If you take the transition for A of 0 and B of 0 and C of 0, you will get ABC. ABC on ADC on 0, it will go to ABC. What is the next one? ADC on 1. If I split like this, you will get ADC. Okay? ADC. So, you will give it here itself. I think there is no more new state exists from the previous state. Then you have to stop the process. You have to stop the process. Then what is the final step? Need to find out the final state. The final state is, you have to identify the final state in this diagram. So, which is the final state of NFA C? Then you have to find out where is the C will be there in the DFA state. One is here ABC and this ABC, ADC. These two state becomes the final state of NFA. Look at this. Right? So, this will be the final transition diagram of DFA. DFA. This is NFA. Right? From this you are converted into DFA. So, I think you hope you understood this concept. I have clearly explained it. If you have any doubt, please drop your doubt in the comment box. I am happy to help you. Thank you.